Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Let's start. Do you play any indoor games?
I, quite frankly, sir, I have a great fondness for indoor games like squash, badminton, and table tennis.
Okay, now this answer is short and incomplete, right? Do you play any indoor games? Yes, I've got great fondness for indoor games. First of all, I love to play squash. That has been my favorite since my childhood. And I also like to play table tennis as I was a champion at college and sometimes something like that.
Sure, sir.
Okay,
Sure,
it should
sir.
be full answer in 5 6 sentences. Now let's go on. Do you prefer to play indoor? The mic is off, turn it on. Do you prefer to play indoor games or outdoor games?
Quite frankly, sir, I like to play indoor games. Indoor games like badminton, squash, table tennis. Uh, therefore, I am therefore I have a great fondness for
Okay, your
having.
first answer and your second answer both are same. Never repeat what you say in previous answer. Otherwise, it will be repetition, limited ideas, limited vocabulary, limited knowledge. You need to answer differently. Okay, now let's go on. What indoor games did you play when you were a child?
When I was a child, I have a great propensity to play table
I
tennis.
had
I had a great propensity
to play, yeah, for table
for table
tennis,
tennis,
right?
and I was quite good at playing table tennis with my friends back then.
Okay. Do you play any mobile games these days?
Honestly, sir, I do not have any charm in playing mobile games. Rather, I would spend my time on mobile for some useful activities like studying, research, and so on and so forth.
Okay. Is it good for children to play video games or mobile games?
Well, in my opinion, playing games on mobile is very detrimental on the psychological and mental abilities of the young ones. Rather, they should spend doing something really useful for the productive outcome of their time.
All right. So overall, it's fine, but try to understand the question and your answers. I mean, every question should be answered differently, not the same portion. Don't repeat the same ideas in the next answer.
Actually, I didn't quite understand
Okay.
your answer
And
that time.
one more thing, you need to conclude your answer as well
Right,
in
sir.
the end, right?
Right, thank you.
Okay, now let's go on. It's your turn. Do you prefer to live in the city or countryside?
I prefer live in a city because city have more opportunities to live there, like hospitals and many other opportunities like road structure.
Okay, this answer has got abrupt ending. There should be proper ending. So for all these reasons, I
I
prefer
would
to live in the city.
city.
Therefore, I would like to live in the city. Conclusion. Is it good for young people to grow up in the city?
Yes, it's good to young people to grow up
It's
in
good for young people.
it's good for young people to grow up in the cities because there are many opportunities like schools, universities, and other things.
Okay. So other things what you need to
Other
mention
things.
and then you need to conclude as well. All right. Is your city okay, is your city a good place for playing sports?
Yes, my city is yes, my city is good to
My
play
city is good to play sports. There
to
are
play
many
sports.
sports stadiums here. There is a hockey stadium,
Yes.
football stadium, like that. Try to be talkative. Okay, let's go on. Do you prefer to eat at home or outside in the restaurant?
I prefer outside. I prefer eat outside because I like outing too much. And
Okay, you're lacking ideas and answer does not have proper ending. Now you need to go through all these topics. For each question, come up with your own original idea. That if they ask me question, what food do you like? I would say, well, I love to eat burger because I have great fondness for fast food. So whenever I would like to eat anything, I prefer to eat burger. Something like that, okay? Make up your mind. Come up with your own original answers and you'll be okay. And remember, each sentence should have proper ending. I mean, you need to conclude your answer, right? Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.